Hi and welcome. This is Noemi from Jackie Bean, and in this video I'm going to show you how to knit an I-cord.
An I-cord is super easy to knit and very fun because it is three-dimensional. Depending on your yarn weight, you can cast on anywhere between 2 to 7 stitches or so. I am using Malabrigo Rios, which is a worsted weight yarn, and I'm going to cast on 4 stitches on a double pointed needle. Once you cast it on the stitches, you take it and slide it down to the opposite end of the needle. Your working yarn is now in the back and at the bottom. We are going to knit these 4 stitches. Now that the 4 stitches are knitted, we are going to repeat this process over and over again. So we slide the 4 stitches down to the opposite end of the needle and knit them again. And you just keep going until you have your desired length. When you're done, just bind off as you normally would. Knit the first 2 stitches. Then lift the first stitch over the second stitch and continue on. You can cut your working yarn now and pull the tail end into the middle of the I-cord.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. You can also find all the yarn on my website at jackiebean.com. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching.